Good morning everyone. Today I will solve remaining question of exercise 2.2. Question number 7. Change into simplest form tan inverse in bracket root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, where x lies between 0 to pi. So now 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x change into tan. We know that cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and also 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Now change, put value of this in this form. We can write tan inverse root 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 upon 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 1 cancel out and tan inverse root 1 minus open bracket minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. So cancel out tan inverse root 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel out. So tan inverse root sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. So tan inverse root sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. Also change tan inverse square root cancel out, so gives sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. So now tan inverse sin upon cos in change tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan, since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, so x by 2. This is answer. Question number 8. Tan inverse in bracket cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. So x between 0 to pi. So cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x change into in tan. So now divided by cos x numerator and denominator. So we can write tan inverse cos x upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x. Also cos x upon cos x plus sin x upon cos x. So this tan inverse 1 minus sin upon cos tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Also write tan inverse in bracket 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus 1 into tan x. Also change tan inverse 1 in tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4. Value of 1 tan pi by 4 into tan x. So tan inverse tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4 minus x. So also tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. So this is pi by 4 minus x. This is answer. Question number 9, tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square where x less mod of x less than a. So now x upon root a square minus x change into in tan form. So let x is equal to a sin theta. So now put value of x in this. So tan inverse a sin theta upon root a square minus a sin theta square. So now change tan inverse a sin theta upon root a square minus a square sin square theta. So now tan inverse a sin theta upon a square common out. So a root a square taken common out in root from root a. So 1 minus sin square theta. So a cancel out. So tan inverse sin theta upon 1 minus root cos square theta. This is identity of cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta put here. So now tan inverse sin theta upon cos theta. So this is tan inverse tan theta. So this is theta since tan inverse tan x is equal to x. Now put here and change into in x. So let x is equal to a sin theta. So x upon a is equal to sin theta. So sin theta is equal to sin inverse x upon a. So this is put here sin inverse x upon a. This is answer. Question number 10, tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3as x square change into this value change into in tan form. So now let x is equal to a tan theta. So now x is equal to a tan theta put here. We get tan inverse 3a square into a tan theta minus tan a tan q theta. So upon this a q minus 3a into a tan theta square. So now change. Also we can write 3 a cube tan theta minus a cube tan q theta upon a cube minus 3 a is a q tan square theta. So now also we can write a common out a q, so 3 tan theta minus tan q theta upon a q 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So a q cancel out, so tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan q theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is formula of tan 3 theta. So this is, you can write tan inverse tan 3 theta. So since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, now 3 theta, and also you can write x is equal to a tan theta. So tan theta is equal to x upon a, theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. So theta is equal to tan inverse x by a, put here. So 3 tan inverse x upon a. This is answer. Find the value of each of the following. Question number 11. Tan inverse in big bracket 2 cos in small bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Solution of this question. So now tan inverse 2 cos, now change to sin inverse 1 by 2 in sin pi by 6. So 1 by 2 value of sin 1 by 2 in sin pi by 2, this means sin 30 means 1 by 2. So also we can write tan inverse 2 cos bracket 2 into sin inverse sin, so pi by 6 also we can write. So 3 2 3 6, so tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. So tan inverse 2 cos pi by 6 means 60 degree, pi by 3 60 degree, cos 60, 2 into 1 by 2 into tan inverse. So 2 cancel out, so tan inverse 1. So this tan inverse tan pi by 4. So value of 1 in tan pi by 4. So tan inverse tan, so pi by 4. Since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, using this formula, so we can write pi by 4. This is answer. Question number 12. Cot in bracket tan inverse a plus cot inverse a. So we know that since tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So now use this formula in this case. So cot pi by 2. So says cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cot pi by 2 means cot 90 degree. So cot 90 degree means 0. This is answer. That's all. Thank you.